Camping tips and tricks that will make your trip go smoothly. If you love the great outdoors, Mother Nature, and the smell of fresh air, nothing will please you more than a nice camping trip. But, there are some things you need to know about camping before going on your trip. This video will give you the best camping tips around. Particularly, if you have children, you need to consider what to do if you have inclement weather one day. Gather together a few supplies to have on hand in case you need to stay in your tent. Bring a board game, Play-Doh and art supplies. Don't let your family members touch these items until it rains so that they don't lose their appeal. Take only photos and leave only footprints. That is the rule of thumb when camping. Only use the natural resources that you need and do not leave any traces that you were camping when you leave. Pick up all trash, extinguish and cover any fire pits, bury all human waste, and make the area where you camp look exactly as it did when you found it. As a courtesy to other campers, don't leave your lighting on overnight, if you are close to others. Pack a timer that you can attach to your lights that will automatically shut them off after a certain time. Leaving lights on overnight is a popular complaint among most American campers. If your canteen is beginning to smell musty, you can give it a good cleaning with baking soda. Place a little bit of water in your canteen, and then add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Shake gently, let it sit for 60 minutes, and then rinse with water. Your canteen will be refreshingly clean. It can be fun to camp, but you have to be prepared. Try to be as prepared as possible when you go out camping, don't just take off on a whim. If you're visiting a new location, be sure to research its wildlife, climate, and geography. Try using dryer lint to help you start your campfire. Start collecting lint from the filter in your tumble dryer several weeks before your camping adventure. Keep a used grocery bag on your laundry room door to collect the lint. Using this for your kindling will save you time looking for it, and it will work even better than any kindling that you do find. In conclusion, going on a camping trip is for you, if you enjoy being outdoors. But, it's crucial that you are properly prepared for your trip if you want to have a good time. The tips this video has provided you with can be used to help you have the best camping trip ever. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.